Hey, guess what? Welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a hand truck. And you see it's from the brand called Magna cart. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first take out the product, this is what it actually looks like here. But you see the way how to design this product is actually pretty cool. It's definitely very space saving. So we turn it on the other side right here, you can definitely see what the product looks like here. So if you guys want to put like boxes or like water bottles or basically anything that's really heavy, basically anything up to 160 pounds, you can definitely use that on here. Like I mentioned, this is from the brand called Magna cart. They have the brand logo on here as well. And basically for this product, they actually have it available in different colors as well. I believe the one that I got right here is like a black and silver design. But definitely a very cool design in terms of how they design it. It's definitely foldable, so it saves a lot of space when you guys are not using it. But I'm just cut this part right here and actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys cut that part open right there, the way how you guys open it is like this. So I'm gonna pull this part open right here, pull it out, push it all the way, and see how that part in the bottom comes out. And also the wheels in the back comes out as well. So I just want to extend the arm right here. You basically want to push this button right here and pull it up. And then once you guys pull it up, this is basically what the product looks right here. And what's really cool about this part right here is the fact that if you haven't seen the middle part right here, they do give you guys this strap option right here. You can definitely strap this onto your product, like your box or whatever, so that way it actually keeps it in place. And that way the product won't keep like moving around. So I should go get a heavy box and put it on here to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so let's get into move this box right here. The way how you guys do that is go like this and just slide it right underneath it. Make sure it goes all the way inside. Once you guys do that, you can definitely just lift it like that. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the strap option, you can definitely strap that on the bottom part. Alright, so instead when you actually strap it like this, you can definitely do that on here. So that way you can strap the product in place, and that way it prevents the product from like falling out. And it's definitely really easy to actually use the product. So if you guys want to stack even more boxes on top, like maybe 2 more, you can definitely do that on here. As long as what you guys put on here does not exceed 160 pounds, then you should be fine. But you see right here, the product definitely does work when you guys actually set it up. So once you guys finish using this part right here, you can definitely fold it back up. So I'm going to move this box away and show you guys how to actually fold it back up. So once you guys put the strap back on here, you guys want to push the button to push back down. And basically for this part right here, you just want to pull it back up. And basically the feet will go back together like that as well. So that is basically how you guys use and put this product away. And you see it's very easy and very simple to actually do it. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you got like a delivery driver or if you guys receive a lot of packages every day, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.